The Digital Personal Data Protection Act, a new era of data security in India. In August 2023, India took a monumental step towards securing personal data with the passage of the Digital Personal Data Protection Act. As the country's first comprehensive data protection law, the DPDP Act is designed to balance the right of individuals to protect their personal data while enabling businesses to process data for lawful and necessary purposes. The law is set to come into force in July 2024, marking a significant shift in how businesses handle and secure personal information. If you're a business in India, it's crucial to understand the implications of this law and how you can ensure compliance. HawkTech offers advanced cybersecurity solutions that will not only help safeguard your data, but also ensure your business aligns with the DPDP Act's regulations. Visit hawktech.co.in and book a consultation with our cybersecurity experts today to secure your data and stay compliant. What is the Digital Personal Data Protection Act? The DPDP Act is India's first data protection legislation that addresses the growing concerns around the misuse and exploitation of personal data. With the rise of digital services, online transactions, and social media, personal data is being collected and processed on an unprecedented scale. The DPDP Act is intended to provide a legal framework that ensures accountability, transparency, and fairness in how personal data is collected, stored, and processed. Key objectives of the DPDP Act: protection of personal data, safeguarding individuals' data by ensuring it is processed lawfully and with their consent. Lawful processing. Businesses can process personal data only for specific, lawful purposes, with transparency in how that data is used. Accountability. Organizations must be accountable for the personal data they handle and must implement robust security measures to protect it. User rights. Individuals will have greater control over their data, including the right to access, correct, or erase their personal information. Who does the DPDP Act affect? The DPDP Act applies to all businesses, organizations, and government entities that collect, process, or store personal data of Indian citizens. This means every business that operates digitally, collects customer information, or stores employee data will need to comply with the law. Key sectors affected by the DPDP Act include e-commerce, websites that collect customer information for purchases; healthcare, hospitals and clinics that store patient records; financial services, banks and insurance companies handling sensitive financial data; social media platforms, companies that gather user data for advertising purposes; tech companies, firms processing data for analytics, AI, or customer services. If your business collects any form of personal data, the DPDP Act directly impacts you. Key features of the DPDP Act: 1. Consent-based data processing. Under the DPDP Act, personal data can only be processed with the explicit consent of the data principal, the individual whose data is being collected. Informed, businesses must explain what data they are collecting and for what purpose. Specific, consent must be obtained for each purpose of data collection, not blanket consent for all purposes. Withdrawable, individuals must have the option to withdraw consent at any time. 2. Rights of data principals. The DPDP Act grants individuals several rights over their data, including right to access. Individuals can request access to the data that a business has collected about them. Right to correction. Individuals can request corrections if their data is inaccurate or incomplete. Right to erasure. Individuals can request the deletion of their data when it is no longer necessary for the purpose it was collected. These rights put the control of personal data back into the hands of individuals, making it essential for businesses to have systems in place to handle such requests efficiently. 3. Obligations of data fiduciaries. Organizations or businesses that collect personal data are known as data fiduciaries. Under the DPDP Act, data fiduciaries must implement data security measures, protect the personal data they collect with adequate cybersecurity measures, conduct impact assessments, evaluate how the processing of personal data could affect the data principal's privacy, notify breaches. In case of a data breach, Organizations must inform the relevant authorities and affected individuals promptly. 4. Penalties for non-compliance. Non-compliance with the DPDP Act can lead to severe penalties. Depending on the violation, businesses can face fines of up to Rs 250 crore. This makes it crucial for organizations to ensure they meet the law's requirements to avoid financial and reputational damage. How HawkTech can help you comply with the DPDP Act. Navigating the requirements of the DPDP Act can be challenging, especially for businesses that don't have dedicated cybersecurity and data protection teams. This is where HawkTech Advanced Solutions can help. We offer advanced cybersecurity services tailored to ensure your business is compliant with the DPDP Act and protected from data breaches. 1. Data Security Solutions. HawkTech provides end-to-end data protection services to safeguard your business against cyber threats and data breaches. From data masking to advanced threat detection, we ensure that your organization's sensitive information is secure from unauthorized access. 2. Compliance audits. Our experts will conduct a comprehensive audit of your current data protection systems and provide recommendations to align your business with the DPDP Act's compliance requirements. We help you implement the necessary data security protocols and prepare for regulatory inspections. 3. Risk assessments and impact analysis. We perform in-depth risk assessments to identify vulnerabilities in your data protection infrastructure. Our team will also help you conduct data protection impact assessments to ensure that your data processing activities comply with the DPDP Act. Book a free consultation with HawkTech. Today, with the DPDP Act coming into force in July 2024, now is the time to ensure your business is ready to comply with the law. At HawkTech Advanced Solutions, we specialize in helping businesses secure their data, protect against cyber threats, and ensure compliance with India's evolving regulatory landscape. Visit hawktech.co.in today to book a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts and learn how we can help your business meet the DPDP Act's requirements while ensuring your data is fully protected.